Coastal Carolina University's Kimball Library is now a production space.
We just want to do our part to help out.
Nearly 10 3D printers are humming along, turning out parts that will keep medical professionals safe.
We added a second crew to come in the evenings and work until midnight to oversee these things.
They are able to create 50 to 60 masks each week. When assembled, they hold disposable filters.
The masks themselves are made to be reusable.
In a short time, staff here has become quite efficient.
2-3 days a week we'll print masks, and then the other days we'll print the cartridge pieces.
This effort began at the Citadel with Professor James Bejian. His student, West Courtney, a resident of Conway, reached out to others to help.
Everyone's a little dumbstruck at how much it took off.
CCU President David DeCenzo and Board of Trustees member Will Turner responded quickly to West Courtney's call to join in.
Without COSTA's help, I don't think it would be where it is now. So I attribute a lot of what has happened to the help of President DeCenzo and the entirety of Coastal Carolina staff.
Coastal and the Citadel and West have now inspired other institutions in the state to participate.
Higher education is really getting its time to step up and show the world what they can do.
The masks are being used by medical personnel at MUSC for the first time this week. Others are now being called to action to help provide even more. People and businesses can dedicate their own 3D printers to the task or simply donate money for supplies through the website maskimpact.com.
That's just really a link for anyone who wants to help and has the means to really get involved.
Coastal has found another way to be of service. Staff is cutting plastic into face shields and developing methods of holding them in place. Conway Medical Center is said to be interested.
We're working with them right now to try to figure exactly what they need.
Medical professionals will be better equipped to handle the pandemic because of what's happening here.
It's very fulfilling for us, and certainly for the staff here. They look forward to coming in and doing this every day.